Hello, everyone. Welcome to Unreal English, the podcast where you learn real English through real life. My name is Sarah, and today's episode is called English at Home, What I Do Every Day. If you want to learn how to talk about your daily routine, this lesson is for you. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow, understand, and repeat if you want. Let's begin our day at home. Beep, beep. My alarm rings. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. I slowly open my eyes. I stretch my arms and say, "Good morning." Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Good morning. I feel sleepy, but I smile. It is a new day. First, I sit on my bed for a few seconds. I take a deep breath. Then I say, "It's time to get up." Your turn now. Repeat after me. It's time to get up. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. After that, I look in the mirror and say, "I look fresh today." Repeat after me. I look fresh today. Then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. Repeat after me. I make coffee. I drink coffee. The smell of coffee makes me happy. I open the window. I see the sunlight. I feel the wind on my face. I say softly, "I'm thankful for today." Repeat after me. I'm thankful for today. Now it is time for breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. Let's practice these sentences. I eat breakfast. I eat bread and eggs. I drink orange juice. I sit at the table and check my phone. I read messages. I scroll through Instagram. I listen to music. Then I look at the time and say, "Oh no, it's already 8 o'clock." Repeat after me. It's already 8 o'clock. I finish my breakfast quickly. Then I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I tidy the kitchen. Practice with me. I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Then I go to my room. I open the window wide. I make my bed. I fold the blanket. Repeat after me. I make my bed. I open the window. Now the room looks nice and bright. I like my mornings calm and clean. Great job. Let's move on. After breakfast, I start my work at home. I work online. I turn on my laptop. I check my email. Let's practice together. I turn on my laptop. I check my email. Sometimes I write reports. Sometimes I edit videos. Sometimes I join meetings. I work in my small home office. It is quiet and comfortable. Next to my desk, there is a big window. I can see trees and the sky. I love that view. It helps me think. Let's say a few sentences together. I work at home. I join meetings. I write emails. Around 10:30, I take a break. I stretch my arms again. I drink some water. I check my phone. Repeat after me. I take a break. I drink water. Then I go to the living room. I sit on the couch. I rest my eyes for a few minutes. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Sometimes I just look outside and breathe. After my short break, I feel ready again. I go back to my desk. I start working until noon. Click, click, typing, writing, focusing. And soon it is lunchtime. Nice work. It is 12:30. I close my laptop. Repeat after me. I finish work for now. I go to the kitchen. Time to cook lunch. Today, I want something simple. I open the fridge. There are eggs, rice, vegetables, and chicken. I decide to make fried rice. Let's practice together. I cook fried rice. I cut vegetables. I fry the chicken. The smell fills the kitchen. It is warm and nice. After 15 minutes, it is ready. I put the food on a plate. I sit down at the table. I say, time to eat. Repeat after me. Time to eat. I eat slowly. I enjoy every bite. It tastes great. Repeat after me. The food tastes good. After lunch, I wash the dishes again. Then I wipe the table. Practice with me. I wash the dishes. I clean the table. Then I take a short rest. Sometimes after lunch, I feel sleepy, so I take a small nap. Repeat after me. I take a nap. I close my eyes for 20 minutes, just enough to feel fresh again. Great practice. Let's go on. After my nap, it is time to continue work. I check my schedule. I finish my online tasks. I reply to emails. Repeat after me. I reply to emails. I finish my work. Then I take a break again. I walk around the house. I open the curtains. I water my plants. Let's practice these sentences. I water my plants. I open the curtains. My plants are small, but they make me happy. Then I vacuum the floor. I clean the dust. I put things back in their places. Repeat after me. I clean the house. I vacuum the floor. After that, I make another cup of coffee or tea. Sometimes I eat a small snack, a cookie or a banana. Try these sentences. I make tea. I eat a snack. Then I relax on the sofa again. I watch a short video, or I read a few pages from my favorite book. Repeat after me. I read a book. I watch a video. I like quiet afternoons. They make me feel peaceful. Great job. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. The sun is going down, and the light becomes soft and warm. I finish work completely. I stretch again and say, work is done. Repeat after me. Work is done. Then I change my clothes. I wear comfortable pajamas. Let's practice this. I change my clothes. Sometimes I do light exercise at home. I stretch my body. I do a little yoga for 10 minutes. Then I sit quietly and breathe slowly. Repeat these sentences after me. I do yoga. I stretch. I breathe slowly. After that, I go to the kitchen to cook dinner. Today, I want soup and salad. I boil water, I cut vegetables, I cook slowly and enjoy the calm evening. Let's practice together. I cook dinner. I eat soup and salad. Then I call my mom. We talk for 10 minutes about our day. Repeat after me. I call my mom. She always asks, "What did you eat today?" I smile and say, "The same as yesterday." Nice work. Let's move to the night routine. After dinner, I relax. I watch a movie or listen to soft music. Repeat after me. I watch a movie. I listen to music. Sometimes I take a shower again. Then I put on my favorite pajamas. I look at my phone and scroll a little, but not too much. Repeat after me. I use my phone. I relax in bed. Before I sleep, I write in my journal. I write what I did today, what I learned, and what I am thankful for. Let's practice together. I write in my journal. I'm thankful for today. Then I turn off the light. I say quietly, "Good night." Repeat after me. Good night. And that is how my day ends. Calm, simple, and peaceful. Great work! Now let's practice all the main sentences together. All right, let's practice these sentences together. Repeat each one after me. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I make coffee. I eat breakfast. I start work. I take a break. I cook lunch. I take a nap. I clean the house. I cook dinner. I call my mom. I watch a movie. I write in my journal. I go to bed. Excellent work! That was a great practice. Now, let's test your memory. I will ask a question, and you try to answer in English. What time do you wake up? You can say, I wake up at 7. What do you drink in the morning? You can say, I drink coffee. What do you eat for lunch? You can say, I eat rice. What do you do in the evening? You can say, I watch a movie. Great job! You are doing really well. Remember, learning English is not only about books. It is about using English in your real, everyday life. When you wake up, try saying, I'm getting up. When you cook, say, I'm making breakfast. When you clean, say, I'm washing the dishes. Speak to yourself. Describe what you do. This is how you make English a natural part of your day. It is completely okay to make mistakes. What matters is that you keep speaking every single day. If you do this, your English will grow naturally. Great job! Let's finish the episode.